As soon as we start running across that field, he's going to shoot at us.
Yeah, but he's got the blue to worry about as well.
Asian server, they don't care.
True, but some of them might.
Straight ahead of us, crawling.
Where?
Behind the rock. A little bit further up.
Ah, spotted his mate. Oh shit, hello.
Yep, that's his buddy I was talking about.
Yep. 70. We need in that blue. Ah, I see.
That guy.
That guy. Get in the green, in the blue, whatever you want to call it, in the zone.
Left, 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 left.
Spotted. Move with the blue, move with the blue, move with the blue. They're out of the blue now.
Yeah, but it doesn't take much to shoot us right now.
Yeah, it takes more to shoot them. Less to shoot them. One dead. Two dead.
Second dead.
Move up. Ah, shit. Alright, spotted me. Getting behind the bush. And the medkit as well. Just make sure you don't stand up, try and kill her in as well. We're still in the circle, he's got to come to us.
He's moving, he's moving.
Dead.
Nice.
Chicken dinner. Hello, bitches.